Hi, welcome to getdomaiндata.com. In this video, you discovered about 25 expired domains for SEO use. Kindly click on the subscribe button now. Welcome back. I'm Osam Akis, calling from my Nigerian name Olasukomi Fakeye. In this video, we want to discover about 25 expired domains with domain authority ranging from about DA4 to around DA11. So, and usually on daily basis, I had on number 22 on the list of a bonus of DA17. So if you are new, how do you get into the list? The list is right down here, and you will need a pin to access the full list and uncover the DA17 and more. So you can so how do you get the pin? Is very easy. Just get in here, put in your email, put in your name, and click on subscribe. So like I said, I've observed a lot of people get stuck in this. They have done this step and then forget about it and expecting to get the mail and a pin. No, you can't. You need to click on your subscribe on to confirm the subscription, which legally give us the right to mail you on daily basis. So if you have filled these details, is just step 1. If you don't finish the step 2, your mail will just be hanging and won't send you mail of the pin. So you need to go back into your email, check the inbox and confirm. If it's not in your inbox, check your spam folder. If you find it there, you are a user of Gmail and so, then try to click first on not spam so that it will move to your inbox. Then from there, click the confirm, and that's all. From then, once we make a post, you will get an email on daily basis to inform you. That's 1. And 2, it will also contain the pin. So we only release the pin for those on this list, so, and it's free. So if you want to be getting a lot of this daily and the pin to put in here, then you will need to be on the list. So just copy the pin and submit. So don't try to type it out, you may get error. Just copy it from the email and submit here. So even if you chat with us or send contact through the contact page, will not give you the pin. So you have to be on the list to get access to the pin. So that's how you get access to the full list. We are still coming back to the full list, but let's see what we have for today. Domain of the day is still on. I think this should probably be the last day, except if we decide to give maybe a day or 2 days of consideration, but virtually today is the last day for this discount, considering today is 31st of December 2019, and this is just for the end of the year. So which means a lot of these domains are going back to their normal price, and not just that, we're reviewing a price upward from next year 2020 by God's grace, keeping every one of us alive. So this is an opportunity, this 5 minutes, to grab from either of this up to DA 25 and more. So that's it. You can pick from this, and if you need anything with higher DA, about 13, 18, 20, 30, 40 and more, then you go to our premium list or requests for custom order. So in our premium list, in the free list, for example, we only give you the domain authority, page authority and spam score. But under our premium domains, expired domains, we go through the domain authority, page authority, backlink profile, domain age, trademark check, so Google ban, is it Google ban, is it AdSense ban, domain host, and something. So all these ones, you won't get it under the free list. So it's your responsibility to be able to do a dig on trademark check and some things before you pick up any of these. and any of these domain you can pick it up for just $10 or less from NameSilo or any other one you have. With NameSilo you can have Whois Privacy, and if you run any domain host platform that also offer Whois security for free with a package of $10 or less, and you like to be listed here, then you can get in touch through the contact or through the live chat, or just check under this video description. You'll be able to see a link for sponsorship. So that's it. I think we still have another offer before we go into the list. That's website of the day, and these sections are also open if you have a domain you selling or a website you want to be added here, then it could be listed here on our daily publication. So website for the day, we have website with over 1,000 pages indexed on Google AdSense approved, and these are US money keyword multi-niche websites. So what money keyword means, they are keywords that have existing affiliate products or services and PPC that you can use to monetize your content. So these have about 15 to 20 different, you can see them. These are different niches, and right from seeing those niches, you see that these niches are money niches. They are evergreen. These are niches people continuously spend money on, so you can see them. So this, as you are seeing, already have content. Each of them, you see this having like 7, this having like 31, 10, about 117 content, 10 to 15, 17, 32, 102. You know, these are they are in form of question and already researched answers. So you can see it 102 questions on pregnancy help. So you can see on workout, see on photo editing, on piano forum over 170 questions plus answers. So these are what this contain, and it's off for sale. So if interested, just get in touch with me through the contact or live chat. Just click here and see the current offer is going at a very, very cheap price now. So it's an opportunity. I may decide to just up the price later. So before that, it's an opportunity to grab it now and start 2020 with your own website, money website, and content already there. You can just decide to add 1 or 2 if you want, but you already have over 500 content there. You can see it. So that's it. Let's get to the list for the day. I think we have number 1, copeppersports.com. That's domain authority of 4, page authority 4, and SS 0%. We have 2, gamerconference.com, conferences.com. That's domain authority of 4, page authority of 3, and SS 3%. Then we have number 3, runningmarket.com. That's domain authority of 4, page authority of 5, and 28% SS. Number 4 is agendat.com. That's domain authority of 5, page authority of 24, and SS 18%. So we have number 5 as listmilitary.com. That's domain authority of 5, page authority of 5, and spam score 0%. We have number 6, beautyeat.com. This is a very unique, nice, and brandable name. So beautyeat.com, and don't forget, you can grab it. Just tap on here and register it for just $10 or less with Whois free privacy for free. So this could be used for anything beauty, anything fashion related. You can use it to start a niche site, a money site, or an authority site relating to beauty. And you know, beauty can be beauty products, it can be beauty services, it can be beauty or fashion related. So we have on number 7, cfidis.com. This is also a short name, brandable, and you know, when you talk about names like this, they don't carry any keyword, so which means you can use for almost any website, almost any project. So domain authority is 6, page authority is 5, and SS is 0%. We have number 8, fixedpiece.com. So 6 domain authority, page authority is 13, and SS is 15%. Then on number 9 we have aosource.com. That's domain authority of 7, page authority of 7, and SS 28%. Then number 10 we have homeideasbox.com. That's domain authority of 7, page authority of 7, and 15% SS. So this is also okay, especially if you are starting up any niche site or monetary authority site relating to home, so or an idea, creativity related something. So you can grab this. Don't forget to always check them out against trademark before you pick them out. We don't do that. If you need all those, you can pick from our premium domain where we would have checked some of these things for you. So that's where I will put a stop in today's video, and it's you can always have access, as I've said before. Subscribe here, confirm, and then you start getting the pin. And at the same time, it's so interesting. I started this about 31 days ago, precisely January 1st, and been doing this video on daily basis. It's not been easy, putting up research, the content on post, then putting up video, editing, all these things myself. So but at the same time, I'm being encouraged to be doing this continuously, getting your feedback from there. So thank you so much for as many of you that are subscribing. I think within that 30 days the YouTube channel has grew from 0 to about 7 subscribers. I want to say thanks to all those that are now are subscribers. So also on the list and some things platforms. So I want to say big thank you to every one of you, and at the same time say Happy New Year in advance. So I believe God will keep us all, and by God's grace we meet in 2020 in tomorrow's video. Till then, enjoy your holiday, and don't forget to at least send me an holiday package by what? Just click on subscribe button, click on the notification bell, tap the like button, share this, and meet you again. Bye for now.